Some difference formulas. I'm not going to explain to you how to get them just yet. Today is just a procedure. I'm going to show you guys how to use it. That's it. You guys ready?
Yeah.
All right, procedure time. You got to know these dudes, and we got to know how to use these dudes. First example. Now, this example asks you guys to find the exact value of cosine of 75 degrees. Oh, we're switching over to degrees, okay? Guys got that? We were doing radians forever, but now we're going back to degrees. All right, that's kind of hard because 75 degrees is not a common angle on our unit circle. Right? Right. Okay, so how do we do this? Let's think about a few other angles that we do know. We do know what cosine of 30 degrees equals. Do you guys know? Yeah, rad 3 over 2. We know what cosine of 45 degrees equals. That one's rad 2 over 2. And you guys know what sine of 30 degrees equals. 1/2. And you guys know what sine of 45 degrees equals. Rad 2 over 2. Now, why would I be pulling these out? Because we have a formula. We have a formula we can use. Oh, formula. Instead of writing 75 degrees, I can write 30 degrees plus 45 degrees. The degree signs are very important here, guys. If you don't write degree signs, then we would have to assume that they're radians. All right, so check this out. You guys look down at your formulas. Remember I told you guys I'm going to teach you guys how to use these today. If you have cosine with two angles adding to each other inside, that is the same as saying cosine of 30 degrees times cosine of 45 degrees minus sine of 30 degrees times sine of 45 degrees. You guys have those, right? Yeah. You see it? Okay, so sine of 30 degrees we decided was rad 3 over 2, or cosine. Cosine of 45 degrees is rad 2 over 2 minus sine of 30 degrees, which is 1/2. Sine of 45 degrees, which is rad 2 over 2. Ooh, this looks so magical. Magical. We get rad 6 over 4. Then we get rad 2 over 4. Hey, they already have common denominators. Yes, you have to have common denominators when you subtract. You got that in the back there? You got that in the back? Yeah? Yeah. Common denominators when you subtract. Okay, just make sure. So this is your answer. That is the exact answer. And if we plug that into our calculator and tell our calculator to find tangent at 75 degrees, you'll get the same answer. And I know you guys want to see it, right? Oh, cosine. Thank you. You guys want to see that? No. Yeah, you do. There it is. See, I plugged it in. Yeah. Rad 6 minus rad 2 divided by 4 equals that. And then guess what cosine of 75 degrees is? That. And if you guys wanted to try this on your own, just make sure that your calculator is in degrees because we are using degrees right now.